like probably like 210, 209, and then that next candle came all the way back up for it to continue. Now if this one break this support and like it's nothing, then I'll say I just don't like how candles get printed right. YM come back and break these lows at 550. Look for another sit.
Sure. Oh no, YM hit. It's been.
Yeah, nah. YM just hit 592, 593. That target out.
I don't know if it's gonna go hit this last one. Then.
It took out the 590 target and got another target base. 492.
Yeah. I just feel like YM do need a retracement.
Yeah. Like I said, the most ideal setup is to get another jump off. That way you can get a better entry.
Damn, I missed that entry, motherfucker. I'm getting in right here.
Order filled.
On NQ.
Yeah, I was trying. I had a limit order set. I had a limit order set, but I had took it off at the last second. Yeah, I ain't went break even yet. Waiting to see if we push down a little bit more. Kind of struggling. Yeah. I'm gonna lock in nothing. I'm gonna wait. I want to go down a little. I want to see what this next candle do. I'm up 3 though. Actually, I'm going to. Yeah, I want to see. Oh, I might break even. Yeah. Right now. Here we go. Yeah, I locked that in. I locked some in. You going cool.
Stop filled.
I got stopped out in profit. I made 300 on it. Yeah. Got it. Yeah, it looked like it's gonna go finish out and hit these last 2 targets down here. I would think it would. Dropping. Yeah, wait to see. See what the next candle do. 6-3 a bit anyway.
But you might give me the setup we look for him. Get to the level, so we'll come back to retest it.
There we go.
Stop filled.
That bit just spiked and hit the target. I'm probably about to get fucked up.
You just got put in?
Yep, I got fucked on that.
Stop filled.
Wow. That bitch spiked, hit the draw, and immediately reversed. Ugh.
Got a draw set. I got a draw. The draw liquidity.
It hit 142. That draw.
I think that
stop filled.
Would have been 50. Came up bottom with the EMA.
Yeah, I got in. We're gonna see if this don't stop me break even. We keep falling here.
Stop filled.
I hit me break even on that one. Pretty confident I'll go check out this. Bro, look like it's about to do it now, actually. But might wait.
Bro, I
Base
can't wait
entry.
till bro. Oh, and I'm gonna set up. Gotta set. I just. No, that's the one thing that I was consideration. I'm like, damn, this nigga. Like, I'm on a fucking hour, like he.
Nah, OBS though, I've had it on my laptop. OBS not run on. We coming back down now. See if I get tapped in here.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yeah, you could have grabbed this. Got back in like 650.
Whizzle mizzles.
Stop field.
Maybe tap in here.
I think it. Surprise you and grab Abram J.
No, I just wanted to wait because of that other trade. I didn't want to like force it, so no.
There you go.
I'll chill out.
Look, it's I hate being still though. Had an aggressive.
Hopefully this next candle rip.
Bro, I get into down, stalled, I retrace on the whole ass on.
They just did that spike shit again. Break even. Just can't lose on that. Hell no, I did that shit again, bro. I'm break even, so I can't lose, but I want to see if it go finish it.
No, I think it. I do think.
What do I know?
Stop field.
Yeah, it hit me break even on. Yeah, it came up. Hear that.
Are you doing this to?
All right.
You can look short.
Stop field.
I ain't about to keep talking about I am at. I'm about to say you can look for shorts at like 5.
Yeah.
I am.
See if we flip and go finish.
I didn't know that schnacker yet.
I like to think I did, yeah. Good again. Lose this trade. Right.
Order filled.
Yeah, TP hit. So I did all that to make 343 on the day. I'll take it. All right, man. Now that the trading day is done, I'm gonna kind of do a quick trade recap. Honestly, I got on the charts pretty late. We look like we actually about to go hit previous day low right now, which would be at, what is that? That's saying 981 for NQ. Oh, 981. We probably gonna hit that either this candle or the next candle if we don't get a retracement. So we just put it right there, whatever, right? Yeah. Coming into the day, I was already bearish for NQ just because we had this. Actually, I'm gonna chart on this one here. Just right. All right. So coming in today, I was already bearish, not even looking at higher time frames, just literally looking from the 5-minute time frame. I was already bearish on the day because we had this big move down where we broke structure and then we started consolidating. So from that point, I'm looking to see, okay, what would be the likely targets we can go take out. We have this high up here that we could go tag from, I think this was 5 a.m. So price could have came back up to this area, which I would have been looking at for longs. And then for sales, I was looking left and I seen these targets down here that we started taking out. And I saw that we started having rejections, but I was like, well, if we break this level and we start coming back down towards these, we'll likely end up going to take out further sell side targets. Plus, We also had this imbalance over here to the left that was further down that I was expecting us to fill in, which we have already now filled in since then, and we're getting close to previous day low, right? So me seeing that, what I wanted to see during the open was us break out of a little level. However, I was going to actually look to take a boomerang entry, but I got on the charts late, so I didn't even trade the 930 specifically. I got on around like 940 or something like that, right? So me seeing that, we immediately shot up during the open and we came down, but we did not break this level. There was no reason to take a trade, right? So I was waiting for us to get under this level to end up taking the trade. First trade I took, I ended up getting a little win. And then after that, you saw the BS where it ended up spiking down. I would have liked to try to move my stops to break even when I seen that, but I didn't. I wanted to give it a little room. Normally I would, just because if we spike down like that and we take out a target, likely we're about to go back up for a second, which this candle immediately ended up coming back up. End up taking a loss. I didn't get to really move my stop loss or my take profit either to a level to where I could cover the loss. So I ended up taking the L on that trade, which I wasn't really too mad at. It was what it was, but I was also confident that even though I took a loss and we started coming back up, I was confident we would come back down to take this last sell side target out, which was my last target that I had marked up as you saw in the video, and we did do that. We were actually pushing way further past that. I really could have just trailed this out and I would have made the full profit on the day being 750, but it is what it is. I need like $600 to pass this account. I've been trading this account honestly since last week. I started like last Monday or something. Like, this is the longest I've been on a TPT eval that I like haven't just passed or whatever. But I didn't trade Thursday or Friday of last week. Then that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I only had one day that was like a green day where I made $500. The other 2 days were break even day, so it really wasn't nothing to report. Even on the day where I made 500, it wasn't like a crazy good, like, I don't know, I just feel like showing that trade or that trading day, or if I was even, I don't even think I was recording actually when I took those trades. I wasn't. Yeah, so didn't really do anything yesterday, didn't record. It was just a break even day again, and then today I was like, all right, we'll see what we can do if we can make some money today. I would have liked to make a little bit more, but at the same time, I'm not really mad about making what I made. So it is what it is. And yeah, that was really all that it was. That's really been like the update for the account. Hopefully I'll get this passed tomorrow. If not tomorrow, Thursday. Because I won't be on the charts Friday. I won't be on the charts Friday simply because I will be moving into the new place. So yeah, I'm gonna be busy all day Friday. But I do have a vlog that I'm probably gonna have a vlog coming out for that. Of me like moving into a high rise. I'll label it something like that. And I'll just show like that process for today and like go through what I'll be doing that whole day or something like that. So it'll be a little bit different as far as me sitting like on the charts or whatever. You get a little bit insight to my life for whoever cares, I guess. But yeah, that was really it, man. It really wasn't no higher time frame influence. I didn't really look at the higher time frames today, just simply because I already knew what it was that I was looking for. And then honestly, a lot of times you don't, I'm not gonna say you shouldn't look at the higher time frames, because I do usually, but in this case, you don't always have to for the breakout. And then if you have a good conviction on where the level is headed, as long as you still following your rules, which I didn't break any rules today. I traded what I was supposed to. I waited for the trades to even come back down to that level where I ended up catching an entry. One of them didn't, though. I did trail that one up, but that was because I was sure that it would end up selling off, because I've seen it do that so many times. But once it hit break even, it was like, all right, don't start chasing the trade. Just wait for it to come back to the level now. And that's what I did, and I ended up getting a win. So that's really all it was, man. It wasn't nothing crazy today. So yeah, we'll see if we can get it past tomorrow or what ended up happening. But yeah, that's really all I got, man. So until next time, on a better living.